Insert an indices practice exam question 18. Write the following in k square root 3 form. So we've got 90 divided by square root 3. Take away square root 6 times square root 8 minus 2 square root 3 to the power of 3. So let's break this down. So we're going to break this down into 3 parts. The first part I'm going to look at is 90 divided by square root 3. So the first thing I think about here is that we would like to get rid of the square root 3. So to do that, we need to rationalize. That means I am timesing my numerator by square root 3 and I'm timesing my denominator by square root 3. So 90 square root 3, and then I've got square root 3 times square root 3 is 3. So 90 divided by 3 is 30. So it becomes 30 square root 3. So that's the first part I've simplified. 30 square root 3. Then I'm going to look at the next part. And that is, I'm taking away square root 6 times square root 8. So square root 6 times square root 8. So to make this simpler before I do it, is I can see straight away that with 8, I'm going to have 2 times 4. Square root 2 square root 4. Now I know that square root of 4 is 2. So that turns into 2 square root of 2. And I've got times by square root 6. So that gives me 2. Square root 2 times square root 6 equals square root 12. And again, I can simplify that cert now. So a factor of 12 is 4. So it becomes 2 square root 4 square root 3. Square root 4 is 2. So it becomes 2 times 2 is 4 square root 3. So that gives us our second part. 4, take away 4 square root 3. And then I look at this next part. Now, it's saying I'm taking away again, but it's 2 square root 3. I'll do this in green. So that's saying 2 square root 3 times 2 square root 3 times 2 square root 3. Let's look at my wholes. 2 times 2 times 2 is 8. Then I've got square root 3 times square root 3, and that is just 3. The square root's cancelled out. And then I've got times square root 3. So 3 times 8, 8, 16, 24 is 24 square root 3. So that gives me it in the simplest form at the moment, and they're all in square root 3, which means I am able to simplify. So let's have a look. So I've got 30, take away 4, which is 26 square root 3, and then I've got 26 square root 3, take away 24, and that equals 2 square root 3. So 2 square root 3 is my answer.